spiritual speech also. Before that, I want to give a few introduction about our sir. Sir, I have over 30 years of experience in teaching as well as the research and development as well as the extension education in the university as well as the college management. Sir, previously
Today's very honored chief guest, Professor P.K. Srivastava Sahab, ex-Dean College of Agriculture, Engineering and Post-Harvest Technology, Ranipur. Madam Srivastava, all my esteemed faculty members, dear students. Friends, today I feel one of the very important day for our College of Horticulture. And this importance goes in such a way that if I peep long back in 2013-14, once there was a genesis of this College of Horticulture. Sir, from my core of heart, I congratulate you. I express my gratitude for having such a good vision for creating such a college at the map of Sikkim state. Friends, you all know that Sikkim is the very small states. Earlier, we had one College of Agriculture, Engineering and Post-Harvest Technology, came in the existence in 2006. But as looking its prosperity towards our horticultural crops, there was some demand to have one College of Horticulture. But who should take the lead of this type of the adventure? Establishing to this your any infrastructures, and not establishing even right from to this your first day. You have to look after that which of the corner of the state will be suitable for such a good outcome. Such a vision approach that needs. And along with that vision, you need a very concerted efforts, a daily exercise to have such a programs. Sir, I recall that in 2014-14, once Professor Puri visited to our College of Horticulture, Forestry, Pasighat, he said that I am looking forward to this urban college of the Sikkim, but they are the engineer people, how they will shoulder the responsibility of horticulture crafts. But sir, I appreciate, and you are so capable not to this your, just having to this your engineering college, you give unflinching support to establish such a good college. Friends, not only establishing that was one part to this your selection of the sites and others. Once it was finally decided that if the college is coming, where this your classes and other things will start and who will give to this your leadership for having to horticulture degree. Professor Srivastava Sahab shouldered that responsibility, and right from to this your first day of our horticulture college, Once he started at Ranipur, didn't feel any of this your trouble. That was beauty of this your his leadership. And I being at a dean that time at College of Horticulture, RST, always I was getting support as an elder brother, not as a colleague, not as a dean. I was very young that time, and his expertise, his experience was very much useful for my running to this College of Horticulture, RST Pasigar. So with that angle, sir, I also express my gratitude to you and all of you. Dear students, today's occasion is very different. Sir has given a long leadership in scientific pursuits, and in the life always there are the changes, and sometimes some changes are so positive that you can acknowledge whole of the life. I think Sir has turned to this or this phase of his life for a cause of this or welfare of this or society. This is the very holistic approach that once you are going to this or attract to this your masses for a very good cause of this your spirituality. That's why today's this your program for motivational speech. Spirituality is not concerned for to this or any religion, to this or any path or any direction. Once you being man, if you are to this or concentrated or to this or any very good of the cause, then you can think that I am somewhere different and I am concentrating for such a good cause that will give a very good dividends to this your humanity, very good dividend to this your society and overall to this your whole universe. That is such a holistic love. So never think that is confined or cloistered or to restricted to any path or religion to this your any. This is the human thoughts, and once your thoughts become so pious, then automatically you can think to this your I have come or I have reached to such a this your points where for me this universe looks very beautiful. Dear students, just you recall that I just cite one example. Indira Gandhi, once she was a very early stage, Nehruji was in the prison at Naini jail at Allahabad. So Indira Gandhi wrote a letter to this Nehruji that what is meaning of the civilizations I am failed to understand. So Nehru in the reply to his daughter, he said that at this tender age, very early age, defining you to this your civilization is very difficult for me. But just I cite that whatever the beautiful things are in the universe, you can assume that is the symbol of the civilizations. Nehruji was a very literate person. So what beautiful things nature has created, and if you are giving importance to such symbols, in fact that is the symbol of, that is the example of these your civilizations. So such type of these your thoughts if you are having, and such type of these your thoughts if you are having in your working, really that is the one of the very beautiful things. I cite another examples. Sant Ravidas is a very famous sant after this your that early, it's a Bhakti Kal, they say. Sant Ravidas was belonging to this your near to this your Varanasi and very lower caste, very scheduled caste, and he was having to this your work of the cobbler. So, but every time while he was doing his repairing to this your shoes or making to this your shoes, always he was worshipping to this your Lord Krishna. So one day Lord Krishna came to this your his hut where he was repairing. So he said to this your Sant Ravidas that what you are busy in such a business, I am giving you the very gold sticks. You can take it and enjoy your life. But Sant Ravidas didn't listen. Again he said that I am repeatedly saying that I am giving you to this your gold sticks and leave the things. He said that maybe your business, my business is that every time I am referring and worshipping to this Lord Krishna. Lord Krishna himself was standing before to this Sant Ravidas. He was surprised to his devotion, the way he was worshipping, and side by side he was performing his duty. So friends, such thoughts if you are having, I feel certainly you are very perfect, and perfect for your cause, and perfect for your destinations. So with these words, sir, I welcome you, and I welcome to this madam for a very good cause after this year, a very good talk onto this year, developing the personality for this year future. Thank you all.
10 minutes to 12. That means it's still morning. So, good morning, Shubh Prabhat. This I have intentionally said, Prabhat means morning, and my name is Prabhat Kumar Srivastava. So, divine blessings to you. Prabhat is speaking in the Prabhat period to the brilliant people of Northeast. Very respected Dr. Pandey, my younger brother, who has called me motivational speaker also. I thought I am a scientist, agricultural scientist, by chance a university teacher also, professor, again by chance, by divine power given the opportunity of establishing institutions after institutions. I will cover that. And after retirement, not getting opportunity of being retired, again by divine willpower and other responsibility coming to me. And that brought me to Sikkim. Friends, am I clear? आप मेरी आवाज़ पहुँच पा रही है आप लोगों पर? Okay, exactly 51 years back, I graduated in 1974 as an agricultural engineer from Allahabad University. 74, exactly 51 years, so half century gone. I did my masters from IIT Kharagpur, 76, and incidentally got selected as the scientist of first batch of agricultural research services in India. ICR's ARS started with that batch, and I was lucky enough to be associated with Indian Council of Agricultural Research as a scientist in engineering, starting my career from south, and that too from tobacco crop. So engineering in tobacco crop, that is again a divine word, I will say. Everybody was surprised that what is engineering in tobacco. But anyhow, I was given the opportunity, I served there. Dr. Swaminathan, you all must have heard the name. He met me in South and asked me, what are you doing, young man, here? Could you find out something in engineering? I said, yes, 3 projects, sir, I have initiated. So he asked me, and I told him, one is related to water management, one is related to renewable energy sources, that was utilization of biogas for tobacco curing, tobacco processing, and third was a deep fertilizer placement equipment. These 3 research projects I had initiated in 1976. He said, very good. You could identify that there is engineering, but Srivastava, I want that you should leave tobacco. a major responsibility coming to you, and he was the Director General of ICR. I am transferring you to Bhopal, Central Institute of Agricultural Engineering, India's the foremost and the topmost agricultural engineering institution as of today. That was established in 76, and 77 I was shifted there. One director who was the father of agricultural engineering, Professor Pandya, the first head of department of IIT Kharagpur, who designed your Amul dairy plants at Anand. He was the director, and he was professor of my professors. And when I went to him after joining, he welcomed, quite old person, he welcomed and said, "You have been brought here, but mind, you have given 1 year of your life to tobacco crop. So you are not going to leave tobacco. You will have to work in tobacco from Bhopal. But your major responsibility is of establishing Central Institute of Agricultural Engineering." So started from farm planning, water management, civil construction, research projects, and that time there was no research facility. It was beginning of the institute. So a challenge was to me to establish a department in tobacco crop. After a year, a challenge of establishing the present Central Institute of Agricultural Engineering. I worked for almost 20 years as scientist in different positions, research engineer, project coordinator, United Nations project as a project leader. And one fine morning, I was shifted to Central Institute of Post-Harvest Engineering and Technology, Ludhiana, as the in charge of Krishi Vigyan Kendra. In a place, Abohar, a smaller place. But challenge was that an agricultural engineering based Krishi Vigyan Kendra has to be established. So Srivastav, you are identified, go and start that. That was the third challenge of profession to me. Fourth, I started developing something, and one fine morning I received an appointment letter from Aligarh Muslim University. You must have heard, one of the oldest central universities. BHU, Banaras Hindu University, and Aligarh Muslim University, and Rabindranath Tagore's University, Shantiniketan. So, I was asked by top people in our profession, go establish one department and faculty of agriculture in Aligarh Muslim University. And I was just surprised, wondering what is happening. I am a scientist. I have never taught except taking some lectures for the extension functionaries, and appointed as a professor and head of department to establish a department. But anyhow, the then leadership of agricultural engineering in nation, our country, they said nothing doing, go, start. And I worked for 11 years in Aligarh Muslim University. Incidentally, I am the first chairman, the founder chairman, the founder dean of Faculty of Agricultural Sciences at Aligarh Muslim University. And again, another surprise. Again being asked by the top people, including Dr. S.N. Puri, the then Vice Chancellor. You must have seen his photographs here and there. A great Vice Chancellor, very great visionary, asking me, 11 years in Aligarh is over, now Northeast is waiting for you. Go to Sikkim. My wife is here, most unwilling lady. A big bungalow at Aligarh. My all children studying in university. Highest position as a dean, next to Vice Chancellor, and that too of Aligarh Muslim University. Why should I go to Sikkim? Why should I come to Gangtok? and again taking another challenge of establishing a new college. But anyhow, that was divine. I'm focusing. All these things happening, I am narrating to you, these are divine. God's design. And I had nothing in my hand. I could argue to my seniors, to my friends, to my family members, but ultimately do what was decided by God, and I came to Ranipur. Ranipur College was established in 2006. One officer on special duty, to whom we call Professor Moria, as the first dean. I said he is not OSD, he was the dean, but holding 3 charges. The director of instruction at CAU headquarters, Imphal, the officer on special duty for Ranipur College, and immediately officer on special duty to establish your college of Barwani, postgraduate college. So he was 3 places. And Ranipur had no building except one, probably smaller than this. That building which got itself demolished during the earthquake. So you can understand how much strong that building was. Anyhow, I came there. My wife accompanied me, thinking that this man is going there, but he will not stay more than a couple of months, and then we will be back to Aligarh. That Bangalore was waiting for me, which I was staying. It never happened. God did not favored me at that time. He said, no, young man, you have to take the challenge of staying in Northeast, Sikkim. All hillocks. When I used to look down to the valley, yeah, Raju is here. No buildings, so, and a river, you have seen. But how to start and where to start? But anyhow, the credit goes to our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Dr. Puri, the other senior administrative officers at headquarters in Pal, the young team which I had with me in Ranipur College, some teachers, assistant professors, 2 associate professors, all very young people, and persons like Raju Pradhan, Manish Guran, and many others. A team of maybe about 15 people, 15 ही रहे होंगे शायद उस समय. A big challenge. And in 2016 when I left, the present shape of that college, what you see today, had come by that time. When I started the activities, funds were abundant but short. Abundant, yes, easily getting, because a challenge was before me, and I had to use my vision and experience of past. What is to be done in agriculture engineering, which laboratories, how many type of, what facilities, all those things done. In between, my term was over after 5 years. I had to go back to Aligarh Muslim University. I was sharing with Dr. Pandey today. Dr. Ayappan was the Director General, who became later the Honorable Chancellor of Central Agricultural University. In this college, he asked me, Srivastava, you are going back to Aligarh, but come back. This college will be waiting for you. I said, sir, but university is not absorbing me, and my job is 5 years, term is over. He said, go take retirement, come here. Go take retirement from Aligarh Muslim University, but come here. You have to serve this college again. So again a divine power. I went back, took voluntary retirement with a big financial loss I was sharing with him. Came back and again served for another 3 years, and finally retired in 2016. I took one retirement from ICR to join Aligarh Muslim University. I took another retirement from Aligarh Muslim University to continue in CAU. और 16 में जब रिटायर हुआ तो डॉक्टर प्रेमजीत सिंह साहब जो उस समय हमारे वाइस चांसलर थे इस यूनिवर्सिटी के, he said, no retirement, come to Impal. The College of Food Technology which you had proposed is now there, and you will not be a dean, but you are the founder person to as a professor, because administratively after 65 years age you are not allowed to be in a leadership position. Administratively, no more as a dean, director or that, but as a professor. So I went there, served for a couple of months, helped in establishment of the College of Food Technology, used to teach courses. And again I said, sir, थक गए, 66 year एज हो गई है, अब मुझको kindly excuse me, I want to relax and my children are settled in abroad, so I want to go there. He said, okay, not willing, but because you are a friend to us, I am agreeing to relieve you, but go and enjoy the life. I went to UK, but probably God had something else in his mind. An appointment later came to London, to my children's place. Come back to India, join a university in Bihar, private university. Establish the faculty of engineering as engineer, and establish College of Agriculture as an agricultural scientist. So, divine. I came back, I left my wife in UK with children, came here, established another college. And then after some time I told the university authority, sir, आपका फाउंडेशन बना दिया, अब मेरी एज नहीं कहती कि मैं कुछ काम करूं, मुझे थोड़ा रिलैक्स करना है. चले हाँ, भाई ठीक है, आप 66 years old आदमी हो, हम आपको प्रेशर नहीं डालेंगे. So I resigned. The time took in my relieving, and other divine, I was appointed as the executive director of one of the agro industries in Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal. Initially I had resigned here, and Bhopal was my place from where I started my career. So, and I had a house also there. So I came there. After a couple of months, when the industry was established, I again resigned. I took retirement. So you can count 4 or 5 retirements I have taken. And this I am narrating to you not as a matter of proud. I am divine word I am focusing. So I left that job, started enjoying my family life. One morning in Bhopal, another vice chancellor rings me, where are you? I said, sir, I am in Bhopal. He said, my office is 25 kilometers from you, your residence, and I am waiting for you in my office. I asked him, and I never knew him. I asked, sir, how do you know me? He said, to trace you is not a very difficult job. तुम्हारे जैसे आदमी को खोज लेते हैं हम लोग, आप काइंडली कम टू मी. तो हमने कहा, सर, एनी हेल्प वांटेड, एनी एडवाइस? यस. Divine. I went there, and after a cup of tea, he takes me to his chancellor's office. And chancellor said, Sage, this is your appointment letter. Join as the dean in university, establish agriculture. Corona had started. I said, sir, no. He said, no. No to your no. You have to join. And again, divine blessings to me. I joined. I worked for them for a year. Corona too. I said, sir, ho gaya. I got retired. Finally retired. Then some foreign consultancies and this and that. And for the reason I am here, again this is a divine. And one fine morning, me and my wife are approached by certain top people, I will talk, said, हो गया भाई, बहुत छुट्टी उट्टी मना ली, आ जाओ वापस, काम करना है। मैं अब क्या, स्पिरिचुअल। तो बोले नो मोर प्रोफेशनल, स्पिरिचुअल। So friends, I started my career in 74 as agriculture engineer, did my masters ICR, and when my friend was saying 30 or 35 years, no, it's not 35 years, it's more than 50 years. And by God's grace and by the good message of friends like Dr. Pandey, I am again back to the society to again serve in some other capacity. This is a brief background about me. I am here today to talk to you about one aspect which we all know, but we are not familiar with that. We all understand its importance, but never practice that. That is spirituality. And spirituality, irrespective of caste, religion, creed, nothing, only focusing on spirituality. So me and my wife are now associated with one organization to which we call uh, International Spirituality Olympiad. Now, the talk which I will be giving to you is focusing on this concept. This is the world's first, for the first time in the whole world, and most unique. You must have heard as a student and as a faculty member Olympiads in science, maths, physics, but not on spiritual aspects. So this is the first and most unique. And there is a Olympiad. Now please go back to that. This is knowingly I have mentioned, which I have narrated to you, divine power as a dean of Gangtok, as the probably I will not claim, but yes, probably the dean of this college also, because this college was established in my tenure. So your college, Babyak, Aligarh Muslim University, KK University, Bihar Sharif, Nalanda, then IES University, Bhopal. So these institutions I am associated as a founder dean. So that much expertise I got because of the divine willingness. Next please. Now the two words which I will emphasize is spirituality, and the second word is Olympiad. What do we mean by spirituality? All of you must be thinking one or another definition of spirituality. So some I have collected here for you. It relates to wellness, then nearness to the nature, that relates to health, and that relates to your happiness. So this is the concept of spirituality. We can say that spirituality is the quality of being concerned with the human spirit, our soul, as opposed to material or physical thing. This is considered as spirituality. No physical, material, God. So, in another definition, spirituality means cultivating our body. Cultivation, as an agricultural person, you know, growing, production. Cultivating our body, mind, emotion and energy to a level to attain peace of mind. So we are in spirituality focusing towards peace of mind. It is a function of well-being, happiness, stress and health management, both physical and mental, of course, and wisdom. So you can slowly understand how different shapes and activities is being focused by the word spirituality. It refers to Adhyatma in Sanskrit or Hindi and many other regional languages, it is known as Adhyatma. There are two words, Adhyatma mein, Adhi or Atman. Adi means related to, in relevance to that. So it is related to what? Adhyatma is related to Atma, soul or Atman. Thus, spirituality deals with understanding of the nature of soul and experimenting with it as one. This is, in short, the meaning of spirituality. Mind it, I have not talked of any religion. Keep this in your mind. Next, please. Spirituality contains all the knowledge and memories about past, present, and future. So, if we are talking, considering, referring spirituality, that's past, present, and future. It is the knowledge of infinity. That is the knowledge of all subjects covering the whole physical world. I am emphasizing, trying to define infinity. So this word, the unseen word, you must have heard or not heard, you might have imagined, dreamt, there is an unseen word. All the physical and spiritual regions, frequencies, energies, vibrations, all positive and negative entities, and all the being and non-being, living and non-living beings in the universe. So बहुत बड़ा अम्ब्रेला हो गया स्पिरिचुअलिटी का. Anything will be covered under the meaning of spirituality. The last is the quotation I read in somewhere reference, but when I tried to relate, it told me, look back to get experience. Look forward to see, and this is for you all. Look back to get experience. Look forward to see the hope. Look around to find reality, and look within yourself to find you. Probably this is also a spirituality, the meaning of that. So, with these things, telling about spirituality, we come to the next word. Next, please. Olympiad. Because I mentioned to you, International Spirituality Olympiad. So spirituality, now you have understood. Coming to word Olympiad, which is very common, very familiar word to it. It refers to a major international contest in a particular game, sport or scientific subject. So it's a contest, it's a competition, it's an examination, something like that. It is a competitive assessment. It may be at regional level, at a district level, or a state level, or national level, or international level, anywhere. Designed to evaluate and develop students. Because my talk is basically for the students, of course, not only for teachers also, and other staff members also, in some other capacity. But anyhow, to develop our abilities in specific subjects like mathematics, science, or English. All these things which are not taught to you, they are not in your course curriculum. Beyond that, that knowledge is being assessed. These, what is the objective? These examinations foster strong logical reasoning, analytical findings, thinking, problem-solving skills, etc. by exposing participants or students to challenging questions, helping them understand concepts deeply, and building confidence for future academic challenges. This is the purpose of holding Olympiad. Olympiad in any subject. it helps. Where I will be focusing is the last two, and the mostly last, it helps in confidence building, personality development, etc., and provide a sense of accomplishment. 10 minutes I took to narrate you about my past, trying to connect with it God, God's will, divine. So that I was trying to count the accomplishments which were performed by me, but with the blessings and at the will of God, divine. So this Olympiad builds all these characters in anybody who is a participant. Next please. So this Olympiad will be for the first time for which I am here. It refers to only subject to which we call spirituality. No science, no physics, no English, no maths or anything else. Only spirituality. One thing. So naturally the question will come to you, if there is a competition, so what is the course? And from where we will get that knowledge course, from where? So there is a book. Okay. The book will be describing chapters like Ved, Upanishad, we call Vedant. It covers Ramayana, it covers Gita, it covers Bharati Darshan Chintan philosophy, including all religions of India, whether it is Buddhism, whether it is Jainism, whether it is Sikhism, or any such religions. And Bharatiya Sant Parampara, our sages, saints, mat, alag-alag opinions. Then it includes, because spirituality, so spirituality is not the birthright of Indians only. All over country, world, Islam, Yahudi, Parsi, I mean anything you can think of, Bibles. So there is a good thing in those also. So this book will cover this also, non-Indian darshan, philosophy, whatever is that. So this will be the questions this book will cover, and the book examination will be based on this book, which will be given to participants by the council. Examination will be objective type. आपको कोई याद नहीं करना है, no mugging, no remembering, no special practice required. And the examination will be in October 26, so 1 year afterwards. Okay, so Olympiad you got the purpose, and the knowledge will be on these topics. There will be a book provided to all those who are willing to participate in this Olympiad. Next please. Examination will be there. Examination will be in all Indian states and union territories, focused mostly in 200 centers all over the country. Gangtok may be one of the centers, provided there is a good number of participants. Because examination will be conducted by a third national body which specializes in conducting such examinations, so that afterwards nobody can blame the organizers. So an international, known or nationally proclaimed agency will be conducting examination. The contents and guidelines given in the book which I mentioned to you will act as the overall syllabus and the broader framework for the ISO, that is International Spirituality Olympiad, 2025-26. Why this 25-26? This examination we are opening now, it will be done in 2026, but that is not the first and the last. The target of council is to go to more than 90 crore population of our country. 140 roughly. So we aim to reach, it may take year, but every year a calendar is there. This has been thought over and designed and discussed by many people, all powerful people in the philosophy, religion, education field for 8 years. And after 8 years, I am before you to open or raise the curtain that look, this is what is going to come. So almost 80% of the question will be asked from that book, objective type. And maybe about 20% related to society, culture as of today. All the participants would be allowed to take back home the printed question paper and a copy of the OMR sheet through which you will be appearing the examination, so that any student or any participant can check his answer afterwards also. That is the purpose, that you take back will be conducted offline, not online. 200 places plus more, all over country in pen paper mode by that body. Now after this first round is covered in 200 places and plus, there will be merit list. So awards will start coming from the district level, state level, and then at national level also. So the council will select 480 people from all over the country for the final phase of the examination. Like in IAS we call prelims and main. So here also prelims maybe in Gangtok, 480 people top selected, and they will be taken to New Delhi for second page. I am using the word they will be taken, because all expenditure on taking them from Gangtok, from Aizawl, from Imphal or XYZ place will be financed by the spiritual council. Train tickets by AC, staying, boarding, lodging in Delhi for 3 days. 3 days only. You reach next day, second page of examination of 480 candidates, same day result declaration, next day award ceremony starts in Sri Auditorium, one of the topmost auditorium of the country. Awards to be handed over to all the successful candidates by none less than the then Honorable Prime Minister and President of India, like people. So they are involved. 480. Now what are the awards? Naturally, topper gets award. Now here also, there are 5 categories. I will narrate you. 5 categories of participant and top 5 prizes. The topmost prize is of 10 lakh rupees cash. Second prize is 5 lakh rupees in cash. Likewise, fifth prize is 1.5 lakh in cash. 5 prizes in suppose group 1. There are 5 groups. So 5 first prizes, 10 lakh each, 5 second prizes, 5 third prize, 1. Total award is for 300 lakh rupees. 3 crore रुपए का award prize involved है हर साल, every year, open to everybody. anyone can be participant. Now, who can be a participant? This year, because this is the first year. Next year onwards, 2 more groups will be added. The target of council is a student starting from class 1 to 3, group A, group 1, 4 to 6, group 2. Sorry, 1 to 3, 2, 3 to 4, 5th and 6th, group C. 6th to 8th, group C. High school, intermediate, D. The next group comes E. Students of any certificate, degree, diploma, whatever is that, in any subject. So that's group E. But then because we are starting with a focus on personality development, career development, concentration, spirituality aspect, so the council thought that suppose somebody has passed out last year, 4 years back, he may be doing something or he may be preparing for examination, whatever is that. So why to deprive him? So there is a group again in group E, what we call E1, present students, E2, all those who have passed out during last 10 years. They are also open. So E1, E2. And then, because what I am discussing is, with you is a research of more than 8 years. So many thoughts came there. Some people said, भाई आपने तो स्टूडेंट कंसीडर कर लिया, राजू प्रधान जी ने तो 10 साल क्या 15 साल पहले पढ़ाई पूरी की थी, इनको क्यों मौका नहीं देंगे? Why will not allow him if he wants? So there was a group F also added. This group F for Raju, like of all those parents, mother, father, so gender no issue, anybody, mother or father whose children are born in 2000 or after 2000. तो बच्चे जिनके आज से 25 साल के एज ग्रुप में आते हैं वो पेरेंट्स भी आ सकते हैं. तो ये 5 ग्रुप हो गए. इसीलिए मैंने आपको कहा कि फर्स्ट प्राइज 10 लाख 5 ग्रुप में, ठीक है, 5 ग्रुप 5 ग्रुप 50 लाख लाइक दैट. सो एवरीबडी इज मोस्ट वेलकम, excluding persons like me. My children are themselves parents of elder one. So I am in the council, but yes, all people. And idea is, as I mentioned you, कि हम हर साल, every year, will try. ये बात समझ में आ गया, पार्टिसिपेंट समझ में आ गया, कोर्स समझ में आ गया, कंटेंट क्या होगा, कहाँ होगा, ये भी समझ में आ गया. अब कैसे रजिस्ट्रेशन होगा, हाउ टू रजिस्टर. देयर आर 2 ग्रुप्स. एक ग्रुप ऐसे लोगों का है जिनको हम अंडर प्रिविलेज्ड कहते हैं, जो फाइनेंशियली बहुत समर्थ नहीं है. कॉमन वर्ड में हम बिलो पॉवर्टी लाइन कह देते हैं, जिनकी इनकम में भी 2-3 लाख रुपए पर ईयर से अंदर होती है. दे आर कॉल्ड बीपीएल कैटेगरी. And those who are not in BPL, so for BPL students there is no registration fee. They have to fill this form which is being given to you, and it's all voluntary. मैं आपके ऊपर कोई प्रेशर बनाने नहीं आया हूँ कि मैं यूनिवर्सिटी का डीन था, कुछ नहीं. आपको मैं जो शेयर कर रहा हूँ अच्छा लगे. कंपटीशन में आना चाहते हो आओ. अगर आप अंडर प्रिविलेज नहीं है, प्रिविलेज हैं, तो पे द रजिस्ट्रेशन फी ऑफ 900 रुपीज. आई विल टेल यू 900 रुपीज वाई. आउट ऑफ 900, दैट इज फॉर से complete registration. Out of 900, 400 rupees is being charged per participant by the examination conducting agency, national level. Another 400 is towards the cost of the book which will be supplied to you, and 100 rupees is towards the cost of postage. आपके पास दिल्ली से एक किताब आएगी तो लगभग 100 रुपये लगेंगे. तो दिस इज द डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ 900. काउंसिल इज नॉट चार्जिंग एनीथिंग फ्रॉम यू. काउंसिल इज बीइंग फंडेड. मैंने आपको बात बड़ी साफ से बताता हूँ, वेरी इंटरेस्टिंगली. हम स्कॉलरशिप भी देंगे कुछ लोगों को. हम अंडर प्रिविलेज वालों से कोई रजिस्ट्रेशन फी नहीं ले रहे हैं 900 रुपीज़ की. उनको मुफ्त में फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट रजिस्ट्रेशन कर रहे हैं. फॉर्म भरना होगा क्योंकि फंड्स देने वाले बहुत हैं इंडिया में. ऑल बिग सेजेज, सेंट्स, बिजनेसमैन, पॉलिटिशियंस, those who cannot come in the public life open for their religions. Money is coming to the council to finance underprivileged people. जो कर सकते हैं, जो बीपीएल में नहीं आते हैं, naturally it's open to them, but with a payment of 900 rupees. 900 rupees, I told you, nothing to go to council member. Me and my wife are here from Bhopal. Roughly we spent about more than 40,000 rupees. No government, TAD, etc. It's all voluntarily. I was asked by the top people in the council, Professor Srivastava, we request you kindly go to Northeast at your own, if you like, share this information. बच्चों को बताओ, लोगों को बताओ कि ऐसे एक प्रयास हो रहा है, अगर आपको अच्छा लगे तो आप जाओ. वे बोथ सेड यस. बहुत कमाया, बहुत नाम भी कमाया, फेम भी कमाया. भी आपको बताया कितने सारे इंस्टीट्यूशन एस्टेब्लिश किए हैं. 50 साल से तो मैं प्रोफेशन में हूँ. आज भी अपने को रिटायर्ड या टायर्ड नहीं मानता हूँ, इन स्पाइट कि मेरे दोनों पैर में निबेट लगी हुई है. आई एम बिफोर यू. सो वॉलेंटरी हम आपके पास में और हर जगह जा रहे हैं. मध्य प्रदेश में कर रहे थे, अब पहली बार नॉर्थ ईस्ट में यहाँ से शुरू कर रहे हैं. एंड विल गो स्लोली टू ऑल अदर states also. Try to cover that at our own, only to create awareness in society, among the student, among the parent. Have confidence, learn in your casual time, leisure time. Go back to nature, learn about spirituality, appear in an exam. Maybe you are lucky enough to get a prize, maybe at a district level, state level, or national level. Now another very interesting aspect. I said you 480 people will be taken to Delhi by council for the second round of examination. अब उसमें प्राइज तो कुछ ही लोगों को मिलेगी. हर ग्रुप में एक ग्रुप में 5 प्राइज हो गए तो 50 लोग हो गए आपके, मान लीजिए 25-30. काउंसिल ने कहा है, सोचा इस पर. कौन काउंसिल है मैं अभी आपको भी बताऊंगा, दिखाऊंगा. काउंसिल ने कहा कि ये जो बच्चे सिक्किम से या मणिपुर से या अरुणाचल प्रदेश से या और किसी भी राज्य से साउथ के आते हैं, दिल्ली एग्जामिनेशन देने आएंगे, दे आर टैलेंटेड. बट भाई टॉप मोस्ट अवार्ड तो एक को मिलेगा. दैट मीन्स शुड दे गो बैक एम्प्टी हैंडेड? Council said nothing doing. All of them, excluding those who have got cash prizes, they will be given a scholarship of 2,500 rupees per month for 3 years. देखिए 2,500 रुपये कम लग सकता है शायद, कोई सोचेगा इट्स फॉर योर ओन स्टडी, कुछ भी करिए आपको, 2,500 रुपये का है. बट देन फॉर 3 years, 36 months. सो पार्टिसिपेशन तो भाई मेरे हिसाब से आई एम कन्विंस दैट यस, पार्टिसिपेट करो. भगवान जाने कहाँ, वो मैंने इसलिए डिवाइन से शुरू किया था. अगर डिवाइन है कुछ कि मुझे डिवाइन में सेलेक्ट किया गया, मैं डिवाइन विल पावर से पहले भी कर रहा था, आज भी कर रहा हूँ, और डिवाइन ही इच्छा से ब्लेसिंग से आपके सामने खड़ा हूँ. डिवाइन था कि जब मैंने डॉक्टर पांडे जी से कहा कि सर मैं ऐसे ऐसे काम से जुड़ा हुआ हूँ और मैं आना चाहूँगा आपके यहाँ, आपके कॉलेज में, तो डिवाइन फिर कि उन्होंने कहा कि शिवा साहब आप आइए, आपका कॉलेज है और एक अच्छे काम के लिए आप आ रहे हो. तो अगेन डिवाइन, गॉड्स ब्लेसिंग. सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट वन. नेक्स्ट प्लीज. एग्जामिनेशन, यस, वन मोर वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग थिंग. दिस इज द फर्स्ट ईयर, सो एग्जामिनेशन विल बी इन 2 languages, either Hindi or English. the form which is being given to you, along with a flyer also, Mrs. Shrivastava will give you a flyer also. This is for your initial awareness. If you want to fill the form, you can fill it and submit online. There is a website. Go through it. All what I am sharing with you will be is displayed there. ठीक है. अगर आप पेमेंट करने वाली कैटेगरी में आते हैं तो देयर विल बी अगेन आप ऑनलाइन कर सकते हैं. एक हम स्कैनर के जरिए किसी को यहाँ पे दे देंगे. वी आर ट्राइंग टू create a group of resource person all over country to share all these things, because I will be back to Bhopal within the next 2 days. So examination will be in Hindi and English, and by God's blessing, divine, our plan is very clear. Maybe next year, maybe if not next year, after 2 years. Why not in Nepal? Why not in Manipuri? So council has thought, because we are aiming for an infinite period. Almost whole country, more than 90 crore people, so their own language. But जैसे अभी हमने कहा कि फर्स्ट ए और बी बुक को हमने शुरू किया है, तो उनकी बुक बनाने में बहुत मुश्किल आ रही है. अरे बच्चों को आप भी क्लास 1 के बच्चे हैं ना, उनको तो फोटोग्राफी का नॉलेज दोगे. कंटेंट विल बी सेम. बुक का चैप्टर वही है, लेकिन नॉलेज क्लास 1 के बच्चे के लिए, क्लास 6 के बच्चे के लिए, क्लास 10 के बच्चे के लिए, यूनिवर्सिटी के बच्चे के लिए या पेरेंट्स के लिए अलग अलग लेवल पे चला जाएगा. दैट इज वाई दिस ईयर मीन्स registration is open, examination will be conducted next year, and we have identified dates every year, one calendar for next, God knows how many years. Wednesday, first Wednesday, this day, whatever is that, throughout the exam, say life cycle. So the registration is open. That is how why I am here. The window is open for registration up to February next 4 months time. In between 10th November this year, there is a national level press conference by the top people. We are invited to be in Delhi, but because we have another important meeting to attend in Bhopal, we will not be there, but many people will be there, where this will be formally inaugurated, a curtain will be raised, and what I am sharing with you it will be displayed. And most probably, we are very much hopeful that on the 10th of November we will release the book also. And once the book is released, जिनके रजिस्ट्रेशन फॉर्म आते जा रहे हैं, जो आप एड्रेस पे दे रहे हैं, उस पर आपके यहाँ बुक डिस्पैच हो जाएगी. It will take another 10-15 days. So you have enough, plenty of time to prepare yourself for appearing in the examination to be held next year, October, objective. This is one thing. So this year language will be English and Hindi. Next please. I have covered this. First prize rupees 10 lakh, second 5 lakh, third 2.5 lakh each, fourth 2 lakh, and fifth 1.5 lakh, and for all 5 categories likewise. Total I mentioned you 300 lakhs, 3 करोड़ रुपए का प्राइज मनी इसमें इन्वॉल्व है. 4000 ट्रॉफीज हैं, मेडल्स हैं, मल्टीपल स्कॉलरशिप्स हैं, और वो इंस्टीट्यूशन, suppose your college gives a very good result, your college to be recognized, any college to that matter, any institution, any school, again with a unique trophy. That's the incentive. Next please. I mentioned to you, this year being the first year, we are open from group C in our plan, 6th to 8th, 9 to 12, all university or college students in any subject, E2, all ex-students for last 10 years, and group F of the parents. So a very wide range. Next please. This is what I have prepared exclusively. Now what I am going to show you is the material which is with all resource persons like me. or you can say leaders, which is prepared by the ISO headquarters. Next please. So there is a council. इतना बड़ा शो ऑर्गेनाइज करना 2, 4, 5, 10 लोगों का काम नहीं है. You can understand. It has to be a very big and very strong team. So we call it council. Next please. So again, emphasizing Olympiad council. Next. Again explain to you. First, most unique. Next. What is the objective, which I didn't intentionally cover here, earlier. Now, basic seed sowing. Seed is your word. So basic seed sowing of spiritual wisdom and cultural heritage in the tender heart, kids, mind, soul. So kids, teens and youth, and thereby connecting each and everybody with what? To the universe and the divinity. That's the objective, goal. Next please. Same thing translated in Hindi. Next please. Who we are. Next. Next please. So the council, which very brief, only there are patrons, there are mentors, there are special invitees, there are trustees, there are central unit people, state units, and overseas. Because next year onwards we are sure to reach to international level also. Next please. Just some photographs to show you that who are the divine people associated. You can recognize them, all the religious who is who. Jagat Guru, Shankaracharya, and likewise Mathadis, all that. Some, aap just go on showing them. The names are here. Next please, next. All Jagat Gurus. Next please. Saints, sages. Next. Next. That group continues. Next. The first name is a very famous name which was involved during the construction of Ram temple in Ayodhya. Sadhvi Ritambraji. Next please. Next please. Next please. The first name again, Patanjali, with Baba Ramdev ji. Next please. Next. So you can find all the who is who in the sage parampara, saint parampara. Next please. Now some names irrespective of religion. There are Muslim philosophers, Muslim sages, Christian sages, priests, Bauddha, Lamas, like. So they are also in the heart of the concept. Next please. See, the topmost is Muslim gentleman. Next please. To whom we call now in spirit. They are no more, but yes, they were involved. We have their blessings. For example, Sacha Babaji is no more with us. Now that was the mentors. We say, who are our mentors? Again, you will find a big name of people, next from all fields of life. Next please. Yes, the first name, dear students from Manipur, he is your ex-chief secretary, IAS officer, Milit Joshi. Likewise, IPS, IAS, IFS, they are there. Next please. The first, again, is the first Vice Chancellor of Technical University of UP. The next Tripathi is the present Vice Chancellor of Technical University of the Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal. I am with him. Likewise, next please. So, you will find all the who is who in our education, whether it is NCERT, whether it is Central Board, whether it is this university or that university, many of them are associated. Next please. That means involvement of all the intellectuals of society in this movement. This is what I wanted. Just next please. Next. Next please. Some names and some photographs not shown here intentionally. That includes politicians of this, that, to whom we know that they are fighting, but they are all behind the scene here. So their involvement, but because of the political reasons, we are not declaring it. All mainly film people, they are there. They are funding. Next please. Justice Edge, retired of course. Next please. Chief Marshal, Air Chief Marshal, Vice Admiral. Next please. Next please. Next. 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 No more with us, in spirit. Some names. Now a special invitation. I am taking your time, I understand, but just to say that, to let you know that, again as I mentioned, it's not an effort of few people. Many people, all type of people, whether he is a sage, he or she is a sage, he is an education top person, IAS, IPS, IFS, army, whatever is that, they are here. Plus those whose name are not here, Adani, Ambani, likewise, because they are funding. That is how we are meeting the cost, and that is how we are planning to pay for the underprivileged group also. 900 rupees to be deposited on their behalf by those who are sponsoring it. So, few names. Next, please. Next. The last name. Mrs. Srivastava before you. She is there. Next, please. Next. Our trustee. The first name here again, I feel proud. He is our founder, who initially spent his 8 years of life in meeting all the top guns in religious and education world. Before this whole concept, during that this concept was developed, and he is an agricultural scientist. He is an agricultural engineer, and proud for me because he is 12 years junior to me. And when he saw me a meeting, he came running to me. Sir, divine power, you have met me and my wife. Kindly be associated with us. So he took advantage of my first acquaintance, not physical, but only from the same institution, and agricultural scientist. And then the BHCL people likewise. Next please. Next please. There is a central unit also. Next please. That's my name. So I am with them in their center. And that gives me more responsibility to be sincere in my efforts in informing you at least that look, this is the effort we are making. Next please. And Mrs. Srivastava is again here. Next please. So all over country, all sections of society, education, IAS, IPS, everybody. Next please. Next. You mean, naturally you are not supposed to know all this, but yes sir. IITians, many IITians. I am also IITian. Next please. Next. Next. What we call it is a project. In our religious language, it is a prakalp. No more project, it's a prakalp, it's an effort. Next please. So I explained you, A, B, not this year, starting from C to F. Next please. I have already briefed you about this. Next please. Medium English and Hindi, and in future regional languages. Next year. Mode of examination offline. Next please. First page, prelims. If I am again repeating, if there are more than 400 participants from Sikkim, there will be a center in Gangtok. For less, it's not economically feasible. We'll go to somewhere else, and more than 200 places. So my effort here, I have talked for last 3 days to many people in Sikkim, met different people, our own students as well, and to you. If we get 400 people, whether they belong to underprivileged group or those who will be paying registration fee, irrespective of that, 400 plus means a center in Sikkim or anywhere else. Next please. Next. Second page, finals I mentioned to you in Delhi. Next. Again, offline. Next. Top 60 from each group, all India basis 300, 5 groups so 300. Top 1 from each group 180, so grand total 480. So that is why I mentioned 480 people to be taken back to Delhi. Next please. Next, examination by an assessment in Mon. This we are telling knowingly, so there should not be any confusion. What we are getting from those who will be paying 900 rupees, those who will not be paying, for them we will deposit the money. So costing is per student. Next please. 6 major components. Next please. So exam, book, packing, postage charges, honorarium to persons who will be involved there. So all this will be, that money is going back there. Next page. Next page. 900 rupees all per participation, those who can pay. Next please. 0 for underprivileged people, BPL. Next please. For that, they will have to produce a state-recognized certificate that yes, they belong to that group. Next please. Timeline. Next please. Fixed day, fixed month basis. I mentioned you, the days are identified. Calendar is decided. Next page. Registration has been opened, and this is open till February of next year. So 4 months. October, November, December, January, February, 5 months. Plus, minus maybe, no minus, yes, maybe, I may say, if there are more interest. But then window will close for registration. Registration will be online. Submission of registration fee will be again online. Nothing, I may say, it's a clear-cut transparency. Next page. Process concludes, then Wednesday of July, each year. Last Wednesday. Next please. Prelims, last Sunday of October, each year. So that's why I'm saying, enroll now, you have to appear for exactly after a year. Next please. Results by December, each year. Next please. Prelims results. Because, why? Let me tell you. We are expecting the response which we are getting all over country. Our first year's participation may be more than 2 lakh people. I don't know how many people will come from Northeast, but yes, on national basis, more than 4 lakh people. So time will be required. Next please. Final exams, reaching Delhi at the cost of ISO, first Monday of the subsequent April. So second page again there will be time. Next page. Next day of the first, say results will be there. Next day of the first Monday of April, that is Tuesday. Afterwards, next award ceremony, next to next day of the first Monday of April, that is Wednesday. Day 1 of the event in Sri Fort Auditorium, under the presence of, by the hands of the then Prime Minister and President of India, and likewise. Next, please. Same will continue. Sri Auditorium. Next, please. Awards. I emphasized 3 crore rupees every year. Next year. Cash prizes, scholarships, medals and trophies, and mementos to institutions, some financial incentives to those who will be giving more time for enrollment. So there are some financial incentives for them. Next page. Cash prizes, 30 winners. Next page. Top 5 winners, each group, as I mentioned to you. Next page. Next. This is just a distribution. Next page. आगे बढ़िए. Next, next. This is all awards clarification. Next. The scholarship. 300 finalists belonging to the BPL category, most probably. An estimated number is one. Next year. Okay, next year. 2,500 rupees for 3 years. Per month, 2,500 rupees per month for 3 years. Next, please. So, this is the amount. Next. Trophies again. Next. 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 Certificate to everybody. Next. And that's the last. So, friends and dear students, I am again emphasizing, I am here by divine will. You all are very close to our heart. After all, I have spent more than 10 years of my life in Northeast. More than 9 years in Gangtok, Sikkim, with Ranipur College and with this college. My job is to aware you. Look, there is an opportunity. On spirituality, if God is with you, if there is a divine urge, come and join in any capacity. For your professors, teachers, other staff members, as parents, for you, and not this knowledge is not only for Sikkim. What I am sharing with you is for everybody in country. If you like it and if you are willing, communicate to your friends, family members, here, there, everywhere. Opportunity is open, anybody, anywhere. All other details I have taken quite long time to discuss with you, to elaborate with you, but purposely. मेरी इच्छा है कि आप में से ज़्यादा लोग जुड़ें नहीं जुड़ें, ये अगेन डिवाइन होगी, आपकी इच्छा होगी. आप में गॉड खुद है, आपको क्या अर्ज देगा मैं नहीं जानता, बट यस, टेक एडवांटेज ऑफ दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी. व्हाट इज द एडवांटेज? फाइनल, some certificates, some cash awards, some trophies, some medals, and suppose by luck you don't get any of all these things. And even if you have paid 900 rupees, one thing which is coming to you is a book on those contents, and the book describes the content, the subject from prehistoric days, probably 20,000 or 15,000 years back before the birth of Christ. Ved period, Ramayana, Mahabharata, etc. That till date. ये नॉलेज 250 पेज के अंदर में एक जगह पे अलग अलग स्टैंडर्ड के लिए आप कोई भी बुक खरीदने जाते हैं, आई डोंट नो, बहुत दिन से मैंने नहीं खरीदी, लेकिन 500-600 रुपीज या 1000 रुपीज इज स्मॉल अमाउंट. सो दिस बुक नॉलेज विल बी देयर. सो फ्रेंड्स, थैंक यू वेरी मच. मैं समझता हूँ मैंने आपको बहुत ज़्यादा बोर नहीं किया होगा. एक अच्छी परंपरा है, एक अच्छी शुरुआत है काउंसिल की. आप में से जिसको अच्छा लगे ज्वाइन करिए, अच्छा लगे दूसरे को बताइए, कम्युनिकेट करिए, शेयर करिए, मोटिवेट करिए. मोटिवेशन इज द की वर्ड हियर. थैंक यू वेरी मच. Thanks to this professor, to the Honorable Vice Chancellor of the University, to the respected Dean of your college. Incidentally, he is the regarded Dean of our Ranipur College also in his capacity there also. And to all of you,